Hey, this is Steve Kelly for Bobby C. Vision Media, and I'm at the Ocean Club Condominiums in Wild Dunes on the Isle of Palms, South Carolina. Hill Construction of Charleston is a little over 3 months in on a total exterior restoration of these luxury units, and this is an update from June 17th, 2025. Enjoy. As you can see, the transformation of Ocean Club is nothing short of remarkable. Every detail, from the restored exteriors to the renewed balconies and the fresh architectural touches, reflects the care, the craftsmanship, and the commitment that this special community deserves. This multi-million-dollar restoration not only protects your investment, but also enhances the beauty, the value, and the enjoyment of Ocean Club for years to come. Now, for all you call this place home, and those who dream to, this is more than construction progress. It's the next chapter in the life of this coastal treasure. And let's all be thankful for those talented, intelligent board of directors who have worked tirelessly to make sure every detail is examined and approved. Many say that's a thankless job, and I'm asking you to tell them thank you. And thank you for your trust, your patience, and belief in the future of Ocean Club. This is Steve Kelly, and the best is yet to come.